Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a straight road mills plate with driveway that is scaled for LEGO vehicles for today's LEGO brick tutorial. Let's begin with a 32 by 32 stud base plate. You can use any color you wish. Take a 1 by 2 by 2 corner plate. I'm going to go 5 studs from the left and 1 stud down. Place that right here where the mouth is in the top. And set down a 2 by 4 plate right here. Let's take 5 2 by 6 plates. What I want to do is skip 2 studs and set this one down right here. Skip another 2 sets of studs, place that right there. These are going to be used to space our road plates. So I'm going to go 4 studs here, place 4 studs here, we'll place another one, and skip 2 studs, place this one here. Take another 1 by 2 by 2 corner plate. We're going to set this right here where it's even with the previous plates, and a 2 by 4 plate right here. Now we're going to repeat this pattern on the right hand side. Let's place 5 2 by 4 plates right down the center. These are going to prevent the road plates from sagging in the middle. So what I want to do is place the first one. We're going to skip 3 studs and we're going to proceed on. So there will be 3 studs in between each 2 by 4 plate. Now take a pair of 16 by 16 stud road plates. We're going to place these right on top of our plates. Plates are also going to serve as a space, so if you would choose to add electrical underneath your roads, you can easily do so. Now you're going to need to press these down firm so we can lock those right inside the tubes. Let's fill in all these potholes, starting with a set of 2 by 4 flat tiles with a line on them. Now if you choose, you don't have to put the line in, you can just stick some regular 2 by 4 flat tiles if you want to make this a one-way street. That one's trying to get away from me. And in these 6 areas, 6 2 by 4 flat tiles. Now on the ends you can leave these open for 2 by 4 flat tiles if you're joining other mills plates, but for this demonstration I'm going to set down a set of 1 by 4 flat tiles, so it'll be 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. So this is completely optional. Let's fill those right in. And in the remaining areas 8 more 1 by 4 flat tiles. Let's plan out where we want to place our driveway. My driveway is going to be 16 studs wide. Place it right here. So I'm going to take a few 1 by 3 plates. I'm going to set one here and set one on this side. This is going to be used to fill in a little space where the driveway is. Now I want to expand my road out by 1 plate on both sides. So I'm going to take 8 1 by 8 plates. I'm going to place 4 on the left and 4 on the right hand side. And on the side with the driveway, I'm going to place a set of 1 by 8 plates. These are going to be used to level up our ramps that we'll be using for the driveway. Now I want to crown off the plates on both sides of our road with flat tiles. This is going to be like the floor of our gutter. So I'm going to start with a set of 1 by 8 flat tiles, and I'm going to fill in the remaining areas with 8 1 by 6 flat tiles. On the left hand side we're going to start with a 1 by 2 by 2 corner brick. Let's place this right here. Then I'm going to proceed on with a pair of 2 by 4 bricks. In this area a set of 2 by 6 bricks and another pair of 2 by 4 bricks. Drop those right down there. And a 1 by 2 by 2 corner brick to fill in this corner. On the right hand side it's slightly different, so we're going to start with a 1 by 2 by 2 corner brick, and this area right here a 1 by 6 brick. Now this area right here, remember, this is going to be our driveway, so what I want to do is fill in a little area with a 1 by 3 brick. So skip all this, then we're going to proceed on with our 1 by 3 brick, a 2 by 6 brick, and a 1 by 2 by 2 corner brick to fill up this area. Let's take a 1 by 4 Technic brick. We're going to crown this off with a 1 by 4 plate. Let's set this right inside the mouth of the 1 by 2 corner brick. We're going to need to make 4 of these. These are going to be used to attach our road mills plates on the ends. On the left hand side, we're going to start with a 2x2 brick. Then I'm going to set down a 1x4 Technic brick right here. That's going to be used to attach to like modulars or other plates. Then I'm going to proceed on with 5 2x4 bricks. Now if you want, you can leave a brick out, and what that will do is you can run wires to buildings and such. Set those down there. Then we're going to wrap it up with a 1x4 Technic brick and a 2x2 brick right there. Let's repeat this pattern on the right hand side. Now, starting on the right hand side, we're going to set down a set of 2x4 plates. This is going to fill in our offset. Now here, place 4 1x4 plates. This is going to be used to level up the driveway with the sidewalk. And let's finish this up with a set of 2x4 plates. Now on the left hand side, place 8 2x4 plates. Now for the driveway, I'm going to take a pair of 6x8 slopes. I'm going to set these right inside the opening. See how they are resting on top of the 1x8 plates. We're going to set these down. Make sure you press those down firm. You don't want those coming up. Nice transition from the road to an upper road. And a set of 1x8 flat tiles right next to the slopes. Now for the top of the curb, I'm going to use 6 1x8 flat tiles. So I'm going to place 2 on the right hand side right next to our driveway, and we're going to set down 4 on the left hand side. The reason why I'm using the 1x8 flat tiles, if you wish to change the color of your curb, like for maybe a loading zone or a fire lane, you can easily do so. Now for the sidewalk, we're going to start with a 1x6 flat tile. Set that right there. And I'm going to take a 6x6 flat tile. We're going to set this right over that opening. And make sure you got to press those down firm as well. And then a 1x6 flat tile. These tiles really don't want to go down, so you're really going to have to force those down. We're going to need to make 1 here and 4 more sets here. And this completes the straight road mills plate with driveway. As you can see, it's got a nice transition. Take a look from this side. There's a slight little bit of a dip. I usually see that anyways in real life. So you got to really press these down firm. Like I said, you could leave one of these out and run wires if you choose. Pretty sturdy. And this will work with my other mills plate road system.